So today there are special light conditions, very lucky. We have clouds until about 1800 meters, and I will take some shots with the DJI-Go 4 Panorama app, and I will also do some filming today. Today it's very cold, it's about -5 degrees here up, and the important point is that you use not the batteries less than 40% of capacity under these cold conditions. I'm only flying about 50%. I have several batteries with me. After the landing you can use the rest of the capacity of the battery to final stitching, download the images. And you will see this time I have all the shooting on the video, and I will also show you on the memory card the 5 zenith pictures, and we will create a special XML file where we can put that all together full automatic.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Actually, the SDK 4.4 is not prepared for the MAVIC Air, so we have to wait on that, but until then we can still use the DJI-Go 4 app to take panoramas. The DJI-Go 4 app takes only 25 pictures, and that's not so bad for good stitching. If you save the individual images, there's still a small problem, as DJI-Go 4 app use stuck functions. So sometimes it's difficult to stitch them together without the XML file. But I have prepared a special XML file with and without zenith pictures. And for this example in this video I use 5 zenith shots. So one shot at +90 degrees just at the zenith, and then 4 other shots at +60 degrees in each direction of the horizon. The advantage of the DJI-Go 4 app, that's an inbuilt SDK, so they can be very fast on moving the drone and be very precise, and also the reliability of this app is very good to take panoramas. For manual shooting it's always important that you set manually the white balance and also the exposure settings.
You can even take pictures at about 30 degrees. If you go more than 30 degrees, the gimbal will pitch down automatically.
Here we can see on the SD card the 5 zenith shots. Here you can see the final stitched image. It's on a resolution of 10,000 pixels. The MAVIC Air has a final resolution of 20,000 pixels. Here you can see the XML import in Autopano Giga, 5 zenith shots, and then you can see the difference without zenith shots. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next time, thank you for watching.